Hey everybody, welcome back to the Armored Pig. Today we're going to be going over the August 2022 Critical Dice XL Endless Bag of Dice. Before we get going too far, we want to ask you that you subscribe to my channel. You can see more content coming out. This month we have the Astral Sea Dice and Warlike Button Dice and the Wild Space Dice. Let's check out that button first. What do you say? Maybe. There we go. So, yeah, let's make a deal, Warlock. Basically selling your soul for some powers. And here we are with the first set of dice. And they got a nice pearlescent, opalescent, whatever it is, hue to them with a little bit of that pink purple in there. And the blue inking makes it really easy to read. So let's give them a listen. That was nice. Alright, keeping going. We're looking up. Look at that. I got a natural 20 on a first roll. Yeah. Sweet. Second roll, not so good. It is what it is. Then we're going to move on to the Wild Space Dice. That's kind of what I would expect Wild Space to look like. A little bit darker gold for the inking, but we have darker colors here, so an overall darker theme. Beautiful job on these overall. They kind of evoke those earth and space tones at the same time. Let's listen to them. Not too bad. Let's roll them one more time. Yeah, I mean, no criticals, but it is what it is. So yeah, the Astral Dice. There we go. Focus. There it is. And the Wild Space Dice. Whoa, what was the close? Critical Dice, or thecriticaldice.com. That's where you can find this stuff. Not sponsored or affiliated. Thank you everybody for watching. Please follow me on social media. That's all on the left. And please subscribe and ring that bell for YouTube for more content and be notified when it's published. Later.